Welcome to Science Hub. Today we're diving into the evolving world of video surveillance and how artificial intelligence is transforming it. As cities, factories, and schools increasingly rely on AI for public safety, the challenge remains, can these systems accurately interpret real-world contexts? Traditional video surveillance systems were originally set up to simply record footage, not analyze it. As AI layers are added on top, these systems often falter, leading to false alerts and performance issues. This isn't just a technical glitch, it can have serious consequences. Imagine a surveillance system mistakenly identifies a harmless object as a weapon, prompting an unnecessary police response. Enter Lumana, a company that's innovating by rebuilding video surveillance infrastructure from the ground up. Their approach combines cutting-edge hardware, sophisticated software, and advanced AI models into a single cohesive platform. By using a hybrid cloud design, Lumana connects any security camera to powerful processors and adaptive AI models that operate close to where the footage is captured. This results in faster performance and more accurate analysis. Lumana's systems have been successfully implemented in various industries. In the packaging sector, their technology has improved safety monitoring and operational efficiency, leading to significant enhancements in incident response. In retail, Lumana's systems help reduce losses and boost accountability by detecting unusual activities at points of sale and linking them to visual evidence. As precision and reliability take precedence over speed in AI applications, Lumana's efforts are timely. Businesses are keen on making these systems auditable, transparent, and bias-free. Lumana's design reflects this trend by integrating performance with security governance and privacy, allowing companies to extract immediate value from AI-powered video surveillance. Building AI-driven video surveillance systems requires a modern, flexible infrastructure that can adapt to real-world conditions. Lumana provides a pioneering model in this field by constructing adaptive systems capable of continuous learning and performance improvement over time. By focusing on accuracy and reliability, Lumana aims to revolutionize the use of AI in video surveillance, enhancing public safety and operational efficiency across various sectors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating science content.